Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your saved game files and config files for Grounded 2 on PC if you're playing through Xbox Game Pass. First, open any folder on your PC, go to your C drive, open the Users folder. Now, click on your username folder. Here, we need to open the App Data folder. If you don't see it, go to the top and click on the View tab. Then select Show, and make sure Hidden Items is checked. Once app data is visible, open it. Go into the local folder. Then open the Packages folder. Now scroll down and look for a folder called Microsoft OE Augusta. Open it. Inside, open the folder System App Data. Then go into the folder WGS. Open the folder that has a long string of numbers and letters. This is where all your Grounded 2 saved game files are located. Part 2. Finding your config file. Go to the C drive and open Users. Click on your username folder. Open the App Data folder. Go into the local folder. Find and open the folder named Augusta. Inside, open the saved folder. Now, go into the folder named Config. Then open the folder WinGDK. Finally, double-click on GameUserSettings.ini. This file contains all your game configuration settings, like graphics, resolution, and more. And that's it. Now you know how to find both your saved game files and your config settings for Grounded 2 on Xbox Game Pass.